Step into a world of enchantment and adventure with our single-unit Royal MAPS, where imagination knows no bounds and every moment is filled with joyous discovery. Designed to ignite the spirit of play, this outdoor wonderland beckons children to explore, create, and make memories that will last a lifetime. At the heart of this magical realm are the vibrant hues of our Roto Double Slide, painted in a cheerful yellow that promises exhilarating journeys with every twist and turn. As children ascend to the summit, anticipation fills the air, only to be met with a rush of excitement as they glide down, laughter trailing in their wake. But the fun doesn't end there. The Roto Straight Slide awaits, cloaked in a bold red hue, inviting adventurers to embark on a thrilling descent. With each slide, they're transported to new realms of imagination, where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur into one exhilarating experience. For those who crave a challenge, our X and Zero game offers endless possibilities for strategic play and friendly competition. As minds engage and strategies unfold, friendships are forged and memories are made, creating moments of pure delight. But that's not all. Our Jumble Climber and Two-Seater Swing beckon, inviting children to reach new heights and soar to new horizons. With each climb and swing, they embrace the thrill of adventure, building strength, coordination, and confidence with every exhilarating moment. And what playground would be complete without the timeless joy of a two-seater swing? Here, children soar through the air, reaching for the skies as they revel in the freedom of flight. With each gentle sway, they discover the magic of shared moments and boundless adventure. As if plucked from a storybook garden, our Roto butterfly adds a touch of whimsy and wonder to the landscape, its delicate wings fluttering in the breeze. With safety as our utmost priority, each element of our single-unit Royal MAPS is crafted with care and precision, ensuring a secure and worry-free environment for children to explore and play. From sturdy construction to smooth finishes, every detail is thoughtfully considered to provide peace of mind for both parents and guardians. So, come join us on a journey of laughter, learning, and boundless fun as we explore the wonders of childhood together. With our single-unit Royal MAPS, every day is an adventure waiting to unfold, where the possibilities are endless and the magic is real.